If you're trying to massage your leg pain or use tools for sciatica, you're completely wasting your time. Look how deep your sciatic nerve is. It's under that thick glute muscle, and it runs under your hamstring too. So how do you fix this nerve if you can't touch it? By working on the back, not the leg. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix. We've helped thousands with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to explain why sciatica can't be worked out of your leg through hands or tools, what's actually irritating the nerve, and a simple 3-step approach to take pressure off the nerve at the source and finally achieve lasting relief. So again, this is super important to understand. Look how deep the sciatic nerve runs through your leg. Your glute muscle is super thick. Your hamstring is too. And the nerve runs under both of those. So if you're under the impression that someone can just rub the nerve in your leg or massage your leg or use tools on your leg to help your sciatic nerve feel better, it's impossible. They're not getting anywhere near that. They're on the top surface of your skin. You can't release this nerve by using your hands, massage tools, or other devices. Now you might be thinking, okay, but my sciatica and my back feels better after a massage. Well, yeah, everyone feels better after a massage. It feels good. There's nice music. You're in a meditative state. It calms down your nervous system. Anything that calms down your nervous system is going to make your pain feel better. But that's exactly why your pain still comes back over and over and over. And that's because the problem is not in your leg. That's just where you're feeling the pain. The sciatic nerve branches from the lower back and travels through the leg. And the most common cause of this type of leg pain or nerve pain is a disc herniation impacting the nerve. So if you keep getting these massages or other treatments on the leg, you're chasing symptoms and you're going to stay in pain for a long time. Instead, here's how you actually address the lower back to take pressure off the nerve at the source. First, we're going to reverse disc pressure. Majority of disc issues are exacerbated by forward flexion of the spine, increasing pressure on this nerve. Instead, we're going to lay on our stomach, put our hands under our shoulders, and push our spine up into extension to do the exact opposite. What this does is it restores extension mobility, something that you are missing, and it helps slowly work the disc back where it came from, decompressing it and reducing pressure off the nerve. Now, you might not be able to go that far at first, and many of our clients can't. However, starting slow and gradual and progressing over time is a recipe to slowly unlock this motion and work that pressure off the nerve. Something to help you accelerate this process is keeping your lower back and glutes totally relaxed so you're not fighting the motion along the way. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Now that we've started to reduce that disc pressure off the nerve, we're going to focus on the nerve root itself. Go to the side of a bed or couch. We're going to grab a pillow, stuff it under our lower back, lay over it with the painful side up, arching your back towards the ceiling. Now bring your knees up and let them hang over the edge with your feet dangling down. What this does is it arches your spine towards the ceiling around these lower back segments. Now there's these holes on the side of your spine called the IVF, intervertebral foramen. And this is where the nerve root exits. As we're in this position, it's opening up those IVFs and creating as much space around the nerve as possible. Combined with a position that is not with gravity, helps this area relax, helps the nerve breathe, takes pressure off the nerve, and can help reduce inflammation as well as improve blood flow to the nerve. While you're in this position, practice deep belly breathing to calm down your nervous system, and you might actually notice real time that your leg pain gets less and less and less while you're relaxing in this position. Now that there's less inflammation around the nerve root and the disc is away from the nerve as well, now we want to reinforce around the disc and nerve to make the results last. Get in a side plank position on your knees, hips at a 45-degree angle. Now pick your hips up and forward while separating your knees like you're doing a clamshell. This is called our side plank clamshell exercise. Slowly lower your hip to the ground, just tap the floor and come back up. This is an amazing exercise to build piriformis strength or hip strength and low back stability too, as what this is demanding is it's requiring your hip and your piriformis to work to pick your hips off the ground. And then to keep your spine straight, your QL muscle, a primary spine stabilizer, is being worked as well. Perform with the painful side down to strengthen the muscles around that nerve and that disc. And as you get stronger, of course, increase reps over time and perform perform on both sides. Loading these tissues and loading your spine helps promote long-term adaptive changes, because getting pain-free is one thing, it's not that hard, but keeping yourself pain-free, that's what's most important, and that's often missed in traditional care. So you need to have a bulletproofing program after your pain reduction program. The steps we covered today will walk you through reducing disc pressure, calming down the nerve root, and then stabilizing these areas for longer lasting relief. But the one thing this isn't giving you is specifications for your situation, because some of you might respond to different movements, different rep ranges, and different cues. And I don't want you to be left feeling like, oh, I found some relief, but I'm still in this situation. I guess I can't get better, because that is not true. You just haven't found the right formula for you. So if you're ready to get an actual plan and take this serious, you can get a free Sciatica Fix demo with my team by texting me the word pain to 317-751-9509, and we can help you get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. This process tells us exactly what's causing your pain and the exact exercises you need to do to fix it in the right order and the exact number of reps. It's canceled thousands of surgeries, even when individuals were told that nothing else would work, and it's helped some of our clients achieve complete pain freedom within as little as 15 days. So text me right now so you don't miss this opportunity to finally get pain-free and live the life that you deserve. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life and our clients' lives and how we are achieving a bulletproof low back. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in our program real soon.